Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time here, very quickly, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Davide. I go by the nickname of Dafne17 on eToro, where I'm a popular investor going for elite next month or in a couple of months time. I don't know, we'll see. I manage $1 million from my copiers, and honestly I'm very excited to be making this video because hopefully it's the first of many videos where I basically share the performance that we got this month and what were the key trades that we made. Alright, so without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so first of all, how did it go? We managed to get a 12% gain in March. This was mainly due to a few things. One is cryptos. So Bitcoin just going strong in the month of March. I used to have a lot of my portfolio in crypto, and I sold at 62,000, and then Bitcoin just went down to 55, and then it closed the month at around 58, which is totally fine and totally on point with the stock to flow model, which is one of the models that I use to track and predict the price of Bitcoin. Okay, on top of that, I also caught a few opportunities in the month of March when Bitcoin was dropping massively in the first half. I managed to scoop in a couple of short-term trades in Bitcoin miners. I was ready to hold them for the long term, so that doesn't go against my investing philosophy, which is long term, not seeking these quick gains. But because I made some very important gains in the first couple of days, then I was able to just take profit and reinvest them somewhere else. So that was very profitable for us. It got us quite some solid returns. I'm talking about the trades that I made on Mara and Riot. Then last but not least, we also sold some of our positions, especially the silver position that we had, because I realized that the world is actually ready to embrace the new philosophy around store of value, which is centered around Bitcoin. So to be completely honest with you, I think silver maybe still has some upside potential, but I'm not extremely bullish on gold anymore because inflation is obvious in the market and they're just lagging behind. So I didn't think that it would come so soon. Our portfolio is basically meant to embrace that better than anything else with our positions in Bitcoin as an inflation hedge. So yeah, absolutely, I would actually welcome that. But also we need to understand that the market is a little bit inflated at the moment. We have multiples of 50p for some of the growth stocks, which I don't think we've ever seen before. So I think we need to take a little bit more of a conservative approach. I have got a lot of cash on the sideline that I'm ready to deploy as soon as we see a substantial drop. As you probably noticed, I've already started investing in two new emerging trends. One is solar, because I think governments will have to back it up quite substantially in the near future. There is like a ticking clock on them, because if they don't want to let humanity disappear as we know it, they will have to take action. So I want to follow smart money, and especially unlimited money from the government. So there you go. So that explains why I'm very bullish on solar. Plus, honestly, I think it's our responsibility as investors to make sure that we finance the good stuff in life that is going to keep us alive for the next 2,000 years. And then the second trend is genomics. I was inspired by Katie Wood, who's leading the ARC funds, especially ARC-G, which we also have in the portfolio. And I think I humbly think that it's the next big thing. I think it's massively undervalued. They're saving lives, and the market cap all combined is not even $1 trillion. If you factor in all of the major pharma and genetics and genomics companies that we have in the Nasdaq and S&P. So absolutely, I'm very, very bullish on that. It's a play that it's gonna take some time to unfold. So if you're scared of short-term volatility, I can assure you that I've done my due diligence, and even if you were gonna see some red before we see the sunshine, it will be worth the wait. This is my investing style. I don't mind if any asset goes down maybe 10 or 15% since when I bought it, because I truly believe in the long-term potential. If anything, it just provides me the opportunity to average down my buying cost. And then last thing we need to mention is that unfortunately my risk score, because of the trades that we made in the Bitcoin miners, unfortunately reached 7 out of 10, which is pretty high, and that is due again to the fact that the Bitcoin miners are very volatile. But I saw a discount and I grabbed it, and I made a lot of returns off the back of that. So yes, I do sincerely apologize to everyone who's now not able to copy my portfolio, and all I can do is to promise you that this will never happen again. Yeah, that will be all. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment in the box below, or just reach out to me on eToro. Just write a post and I reply, or just put a comment to one of my posts. I read and reply to all comments, so please do not hesitate to get in touch. If you want to check out my LinkedIn, that is also in my bio on eToro. And if you want to sign up with eToro, I've got the link in the description below. So yeah, I hope you liked it. I'm gonna be making one for every month, and let's be on this journey together. It's a long journey though, okay? So be ready to be patient, but patience pays off. Bye.